Abusia for ye mo bibia kwa ba edeba Attention TV. Munim sa Attention TV there wo dey asem. De biara dey quiet biba enasia ko edibia ba. Me pa cho eden na ene amansancha me medenam. Ene de medenam ne se munim se Agradaa nsem kekan ya na chese Agradaa ena oni sei ana ne we want to kwa chan we want to kwa e highway no so. Na ene no chese audio bi a wa drop ne chese ayade a audio ndia anu e din ye pa chese o kire mu se yewra Owusu Bempah akobo Abrante fan Kwaku Annan pa se ne on drop insem na afi secret bi a she baabi bia no on kan enfa ye nua ba na bra me pa cho yanko ene ko hwe video na mum answer na me ko hwe video no me pa cho like it na fa comment bra na pia share e ma foforo enhu ne ekwa me pa cho yanko ne ko hwe video no nsem a abetodwane ebi
to be expose who actually baby I would discard man Kwaku, I was expecting you say Abrana would chire mo Jimmy phone a show no son. Now be trade the reason here you share our feeling station ho. Kwaku, I was expecting you say come go deep and deeper. Deep and deeper. The reason why we met at the filling station. Kwasiafo me brand ye kitame no enye kwala brand you and Kwaku remember I called you and I'm not afraid to say it. Oh yes, of course I called you. Na dientia me frɛ won. I am working for your father and we have got so many conversations which I am putting it to you people to come and expose the audio before I will bring everything out. And today, get ready. I will expose you people today. May expose you more. 1.1. Share video never allow so. Me na me far for friend more. Na me catch it out say. And Juma be amabasi mo de mame no. Kwaku, you and Owusu Bempah, you will pay. Now once you say, when I get mediator. And then Rano make kaya so now you mediator. Bibia dia papa de sumau na menso masumau. And I'm a frau se Kwaku kachire papa no sama ye chuma no enti no womna no make mami data. I said it. I will not deny. Kwasia na me be diska wo ho no. Ka me mesra say me pa chao me mesika. Debi because I work for you. I do videos for you. I fight for you. Nana Brown Casey, Mr. Simon Kwala in a coin. Theodore Babino, someone can say social media no so. Not in my life. Theodore Babino, not in my life. Kwasia, Obiabeje car. Do you want me to use me for free? It will not work for you to use me for free. So I called you. Say, sure, we're going. One of my families are member 5. Emam, including MPP. Member 5. Emam. Eti ajuma na masasiano. Tell Papa Bempah to come and give me data. I guess I mean so life be a muda. And I'll go Owusu Bempah amane. And Owusu Bempah kachina will say, Kwaku. I will come and prove the audio. Me page me yo. We go na me page me. Because wo near me kita me no. Hey, now go so you smart. Awie, wo call life o. Wo call life o pet and I'll be deleting wo audio. Awo ya bra me enra. Kwaku, wo be deleting wo audio. Awo ya bra me enra. But me audio bi ehu nya me no. You are not a smart guy. Odimika, wabe delete audio. I will ya me enra a chowpa. I will buy wabe delete. But I have the audio there. I have the audio there. Kwakwanai, you are very useless. Don't fall to this, and don't allow yourself for me to expose you once and for all. Udia kume kuoni mwasea. Ujimie na udetina netu. Ujimie would tina ne two. Jimmy wo. Any Owusu Bempah. Kabomu. E Jimmy wo asofu wasono. So would do Jimmy ebiem ebaha. Me guweni mu ase. And I thank God. Sawubayeno, you did not deny. You did not deny. You speak the facts, the gospel truth. You tell people, say, I am not crying. Owusu Bempah give the woman $1,000. Because me and Rami Bodi to prove, say, I am not speaking lies. Also, what Jimmy? And he have push you. See be your video. Now who Kwaku and you me woman no and them. Some say be go ani mu ase a. Untimi tsa kromu a. Tie, some say me go ani mu ase a. Krowe, untimi ntinam. Don't push me. Once I'm be throw punch be ma. Ayi fo. Ayi anabo kene Japan mo. Omo netufo. Once I'm be throw punch be to her. Kwaku, don't dare me. And momu pie piao. Na uma ho kwai momu pie piao. Me gu ani mu ase. I was expecting you say, ka wo ba ye no. Oh, e no kre. Say de wo chire mu no. But don't go deep. Because between me and you, wouldn't say to me baby. And I will friend me. See ye. Meet me, baby. I am doing my business somewhere. And I got one eye over frame me. And then I decided not to come to life. Because a Juman and Rame Yayano, a Jumano, a cockcroft, me kosao, me tromezasano, a gumwa, no mate. Me sell pia, my bema heavy, sana me come back and front. But with Jimmy and our Jimmy. That is why I am here. And today, I am here to prove myself to the whole world with audio, the conversation. The time you call me and ask me, and let's Owusu Bempah, Afro, Mekachel Sadabi. What ya hompopo? Now they go for Owusu Bempah, Osofu. I will play the audio today to prove you people. But I mean, you're crossing you. Masa, what's not the two? Sikabe brebe, I will jay. I saw the brebe, I will ye. Say, I'm so one. Don't allow yourself for Owusu Bempah to use you. Yet he cry mu. And I'll bet you see D1 Kennedy in Japan. Atem. And so you Owusu Bempah. And I will say underground. And ye push you. See the honorable Kennedy in Japan. Atem. Are you not ashamed of yourself? For the whole world to know, say, you are working with Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah. Are you not ashamed? Because now you have exposed yourself for everybody to know, say, Jimmy Biawu Jimmy ye. Ewo net 2 for esono. And why not tell you? Jimmy Biawu Jimmy ho. Ewo my way mu. Script bia mo choro. And the kotsina 50 prats e radio no so. E ye hwan and on mo choro sa script no. Kwaku, wait, and you're warning. Today I decided not to come to life. Because so many people were calling me, begging me, trying to pull some audios down. By me, Ubejimi Umwa, bra. I'm telling you. I will come out and prove myself. And he will prove it. Everything you have it, bring it out. And I will play the audio.
Pepacho wankasa wanhuni ekoso. Wankasa watibi ewo wasum. Eso obi eye niye anansa obi anye niye. Na de kwa ne be mama obi abo obi paase koye ade we. Pepacho aha aya attention TV for comment bra na like ne pia share e ma foforo so enhuni eko.